Hello guys, this is a 2.5 lutian generator. As you can see, these are the tools we use: a T10, screwdriver. There's also a screwdriver we use. Currently the generator have a socket issue. The socket is bad, the AC socket. As you can see, it has got burnt. You can see it's not well framed. As you can see, it's not contact very well, so we need to replace it. As you can see, it's not firm at all. Yeah, so we change this, the two sockets, the two AC sockets. So we lose the panel, the T10, we lose it, we lose this panel, panel losing. You see, so we've removed it now. It's removed, so we need to lose the guide. Yeah, so we use a screwdriver to lose it. If you find this video helpful, please kindly give us a thumbs up. If you have any question, please kindly drop a comment below. You see, we'll lose the guide, screwdriver, in order for us to have access to the socket. Okay, you see, we'll lose the socket screw, the AC socket screw back. So we'll lose it. Lose it. As you can see, we've lost it now, so we'll remove it. As you can see, so we lose the negative wire, we'll lose it. So we'll lose the X too. Lose it also. I will lose the positive. Oh, as you can see, the socket have got burnt. You can see the socket have got burnt, so we need to replace this. Yeah, we need to replace it. So this is a new one, Smack Fireman. You can see, brand new. So we'll replace it. So we need to lose the hanger, the frame, the socket. So lose it. Lose the frame. As you can see, it's loose now. So we change it. We use the old one for the old socket. Yeah. We use the one, so we'll lose this to fix to the new one. So we want the frame of this. See? So we fix it to the new one. So screw it back. Screw it back. Just kind of subscribe to our channel. Fix it back. So time to fix. So we start losing all the screws, positive and negative, and the head. We lose everything to make it easier for us. make sure the screws are well packed in one place. So start with the positive, connect positive, you can see, connect positive. So make sure it's well tight, firm, tighten it, firm. So well firm. So it's tight the negative now. Negative. Tight it. Screw it rather. Screw it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And drop a comment below if you have any question. So we screw the head now. Screw it. As you can see. So screw it. Make sure you screw it tight. So now we're done with this. So we couple it back. Yeah. So we need to take a screw for this. Okay. So we tighten the screw for the socket, the inner socket. Tighten it. So we've changed one now. Change one. Tighten it firm. Tighten it firm. So let's go to the other one, the second socket. So change this, close it. Close it. We're gonna lose it, lose it. We're gonna lose it, lose it. Okay, lose the screw. So we remove the second socket. Second inner socket, so go by losing the negative. So lose it, negative, lose it, screw. So lose the head also. So this is how to change an AC socket. Easiest way to change an AC socket. Lose the positive also. As you can see, this one has also bounced. As you can see, so it's also bounced, so we need to replace this also. As you can see, it's bounced already. So we need to lose the handle attached to it. Lose it. So this is a new one now, new socket, new AC socket. So we'll lose all the screw, handle screw, we'll lose it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So when we drop a video, you're gonna know we drop a video. So tighten the screw. Tighten it. Tighten it, as you can see. As you can see, tighten the screw. So you lose this, Yeah, loose all around. Around. So start with a positive. Tighten its positive, screw it down. As you can see. Screw it, make sure it's well firm. Okay. So we go with a negative now. As you can see. Go with a negative. So screw it. Make sure it's well screwed. As you can see. So we're done tie or screwing, so we tie the socket. We screw screwdriver. We gotta screw it. We gotta screw it. So screw it down. We gotta screw it. Screw it down. Make sure it's well cut. So we tighten the panel now we're through. So the guide, you need to screw it back. Panel guide. So make sure it's set. So wait. So you see. Spread. If you find this video helpful, please kindly give us a thumbs up. If you have any question below, please give us a comment. So screw it, make sure it's well screwed. Make sure it's well screwed in order for the screw not to pull out easily. Make sure it's well screwed. So we're done. So put the panel back. So tighten with 10 screw. 10. So tie the other side. As you can see, the downside. You can do this yourself. You see, just calling an engineer to fix it. Do it yourself. So tighten it. Tighten it firm. You can see. So this outer socket, we need to change the outer AC socket is burnt already. So we need to replace this also. Let's pull it out. So we pull it out now. So we need to lose the guide at the downside. close the screw, start screw, close it. In order for us to pull the wire, is one holding the wire, the lead. So we'll lose this. You can see the rust particle all over. So we'll lose this. So you see. So we're going to pull the old rubber out. So you see. So you can need to peel the wire. A good and well connected wire. So you see. So peel it out. To connect the new socket. Peel it. So this is a new AC outer socket. So we need to fix it now. So let's pull it out. Screwdriver. So see. Positive, negative, and head. So then insert the wire. Insert it. To bend the wire a little bit for easy connection. To make it easier for you. Find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. So you screw it. Make sure it's well firm. Make sure it's well tight. So you put it inside, as you can see. Yeah, you can see. So you screw it back firm. Make sure it's tight. On the head, also tighten it also. Screw it also. So it's done now. So you need to assemble it back. You see? Yeah. So we're done now. So let's test it. So we have to screw the guide back. We screw it back. Screw it. Screw it. Screw it. So let's test it now. Let's see. Oh, as you can see now, it's now firm. There's no dangling again. It's not dangling again. So let's test the second one. Wow, it's okay. Wow, 100% working fine.
If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. We love you.